Hola, hoy vamos a ver vocabulario de la escuela. If you are new to this, if it's the first time you learn Spanish, maybe this will be your first vocabulary. This is the vocabulary from school. So let's start. Let's see, the first vocabulary we have is libro. 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 Lápiz. 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 Colegio. Escuela. Colegio. Escuela. Reloj. Reloj. Ordenador. Ordenador. So now I think one of the easiest ways of learning vocabulary is through sentences. So after I teach you these words, try to write some sentences with the most basic vocabulary you have, with the most basic verbs you have. So let's try I. I means there is. So hay un or una. In this case, libro will be un. So we will say hay un libro. There is a book. Then we will say lápiz. It's also un. Hay un lápiz. Hay un lápiz. Hay un libro. The next one, let's say colegio is un, but escuela is una. So let's say hay un colegio, hay una escuela. Now that we have these three together, let's say that there is a book and a pencil in the school. So we will say hay un libro y un lápiz en el colegio. Hay un libro y un lápiz en la escuela. So here we said hay un libro y un lápiz en la escuela, or hay un libro y un lápiz en el colegio. So there is a book and a pencil in the school. Okay, let's continue with these two left. Reloj. So reloj will be un, the same as ordenador, because both ends with consonant. That means that they are masculine. So let's say hay un reloj. Hay un ordenador. Now let's say that there is all these things at the school. There is a book and a pencil, and there is a clock and a computer at school. Do you know how to say this? So let's try. I will let you some seconds. Okay, let's try. Hay un libro, un lápiz, un reloj y un ordenador en el colegio. Okay, maybe I trick you. So this is the same as in English. We don't use e. It is end. So we don't use end all the time, only the last time. So hay un libro, coma, hay un libro, un lápiz, un reloj y un ordenador en la escuela. Hay un libro, un lápiz, un reloj y un ordenador en el colegio. Easy? So let's go to the next one. We have now so first one, cuaderno, cuaderno, papel, papel, carta, carta, notas, notas, regla, regla, and last one, tijeras, tijeras. Okay, so now let's go to what we said before. Hay, un or una. Okay, so we are going to do like this. Can you try? Hay un cuaderno y un papel. Okay, what about the second one? Hay una carta y unas notas. And last one, hay una regla y unas tijeras. Okay, we use unas and una. Easy. Let's go to the next one. We have two ways of saying the trash can. So basura, basura. Basura means trash. It will be literally trash. And then we have papelera, papelera. Papelera comes from papel. Have you seen this? So maybe this is the place when you throw all the papel. So let's repeat. Basura, papelera. And last one, archivador, archivador. Okay, so this is what we saw today, and hope this was useful, and maybe you find a new way of learning some vocabulary with sentences. So hope to see you soon, and let's say again, hasta luego.